Have you ever had small cuts on your finger? You clean it, apply some medicines, and cover it with a bandage. But what if the bandage doesn't stick properly? The wound doesn't heal. Now, imagine the same idea, but instead of finger, it is a pipeline under the ocean. Thousands of kilometers of pipeline running deep beneath our ocean. These are the arteries of our global energy system. But like any artery, they face a silent killer, pitting corrosion. This tiny localized defect may seem insignificant, but under extreme pressure, they behave like a needle against balloons, capable of triggering sudden and catastrophic failure. To fix them, we don't replace the pipe. That is too expensive. Instead, we use a structural bandage, a layer of putty to fill the hole, wrapped in a high-strength composite sleeve. So the system becomes three-layer: steel, putty, and composite wrap. But here is the problem. For decades, the engineering world has relied on the white lies. They assume the perfect bonding. They assume the glue never fails, the layer never peels. But in the crushing, salty depth of the oceans, perfect doesn't exist. My research investigates this hidden weak link using a cohesive zone model, a digital microscope that allows us to see the hidden struggle at the bond line. I'm not just asking if it will fail, I am predicting exactly when and how it will fail. Why does this matter? Because right now, we are still guessing. To stay safe, engineers often make repair thicker, heavier, and far more expensive than necessary. But what if we don't have to guess anymore? My research developed a predictive tool that allows engineers to estimate the bonding pressure without costly trial and error. By understanding how the putty bond to steel, we can design repairs that are not only safer, but also smarter, more efficient, and built to the last in a harsh marine environment. We are moving away from the myth of perfection and towards the reality of reliability. Because when it comes to the arteries of our world, we can't afford to just hope the bandage stick. Thank you.